here we are with another trainer review, another unboxing. It's just been a great month. It really has, it really has. Adidas have just been wiping the floor with Nike, in my opinion, this month with regards to release. Have just really hit it hard, but don't worry you Nike fans, because Nike are coming up with a few of their own. But today we've got an unboxing of an Adidas box. Again, don't know what it is, but let's see what we got. So here we are, a much smaller box from Adidas. Well done. You know, they just like chop and change. You think they're always with the basketballs that or the quantum basketballs that they release some massive boxes. But you know, we had it last time, as you would have seen, with the 700s and even the 380s. I'm sure the box was massive. But anyway, over that. Thank you, Adidas. Let's see what we got. So anyone that watches this for more than 2 seconds knows that I am a massive fan of 350s. So it can only be the Ash Pearls. I say that right, and it's gonna be some lame ass. Yes, Ash Pearls, baby, Ash Pearls. So here, unboxed, the smile on my face says it all, right? That's still what I'm thinking about it. So listen, the pastel colours. So obviously they're doing a whole load of the Ash series, I like to call them, right? They had the Ash Blues, you know, and they come in Ash Pearls, and World of Street, there's a few more that they're willing to drop. Listen, these are just lovely, absolutely lovely. The pastel colours of it all. It's like, I don't know, man, I just think like sand, like just like very like beachy. I don't know, I just get a beachy vibe. It must be the peach, peach. So I'm really liking these. I tell you what, there's not a pair of 350s that I don't like, you know, and well, some of the colourways are a bit naff and it seems unimaginative, but this, just following through. So as we're going on, so they're keeping it true with the ash on one colour and then the pearl, so the signature colourway on the other side of it. And they're standard Yeezys, right? It's nothing different about these. The 350 Boost, they still stick in with the formula that works. One of the most comfortable shoes, I say. You know I keep saying that. So we're going on. So they've gone back to these laces again. They're not the infinity laces. Why? I don't know. Answers on the comments below, because I have no idea, and I really want to know, because it's starting to really bug me. It's so inconsistent. One pair will be infinity, the other pair is not. I mean, yes, they do put the infinity laces and the options of normal laces in some of the boxes, but like for this one, there's no option. So like these ones, you have to wear them like this. Or well, obviously we know we don't tie Yeezys, no. But you have to wear these, you can't have the infinities one. Why? Is it marketing? It's definitely not a case of spending money, because they just are making a whole load of money, right? But anyway, that's my negative out of the way. Not much to say about these, apart from on your feet, they feel as good as all the other 350s. No change there. All inside, you're just getting a few more glimpses. So what I'm seeing here is, you know, they've got them suede on the inside, which again just makes you think, oh, okay, maybe it's for like the sweat patches, right? Wearing this on a hot summer's day on the beach, like I'm saying, because that's how I'm feeling it. Again, you know, the undersole, the complete undersole is a different shade to the rest of the sole. Again, it's about authenticity, right? So if ever you want to buy these off of some dodgy site or anywhere untrusted or you're unsure about, the key things you want to start looking for is making sure that the sole has two defining colours, and also, you know, little things like the free shops on the Adidas and the Yeezys spelled one way in one sole and another way in another sole. Key things to look at when you're trying to purchase a pair of Yeezys from somebody, not from a retailer side. But here we are, the Ash Pearls. They're absolutely lovely. I got no complaints about them. We love them here at Style versus Trend. When it comes to fit, what you want to be looking out for is making sure you get at least a half a size up than your normal size. So I normally wear a 9, so I'll get a 9.5, just to give you that little bit of room, because the cloth is quite constrictive. And what you don't want to do is when you're walking on the beach or whatever, go out on the street about to go to some shops, you don't want to be getting your sore little toes all hurting you. So always go a size up, and they're a lovely fit and they're comfortable. A bit socky material because obviously it's all cloth, very elasticated actually. But they work well with just about anything that you could wear, just as long as they're a size up. So thoughts on the 350? I love them. You know, I won't say a bad word about the 350s, apart from those dirty brown ones that they had that really looked like they came off the bottom of your shoe. But those ones aside, I absolutely love all the 350 boots that's come out, you know, the V2s especially. So if you can get them, must have to add to your collection. You know, trying to build up a rainbow, definitely got to add the ash pearls in. Yes, they are the same, and they haven't changed anything about it, but why change something that works so well? Reportedly, Kanye's Yeezy brand is worth 6.6 billion. So if I'm making 6.6, I ain't changing nothing, man. I'm gonna stick to the formula and then I'm winning, right? Guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and hopefully see you soon with another review.